All right, yes, here we go now. In this video, we'll be learning about finding the square root with prime factorization method. Great. I'm Twinkle. I'm from Team Maths Made Easy, and I'll be making your concept very, very simple and interesting, right? Okay. So, pehla question which comes is finding the square root of 196. Yes? Okay. This is, I'm going to find this with the help of prime factorization method. 196. What do? Find what is the least number. Yes, which with which we can divide 196. 196 को किससे divide कर सकते हैं? देख रहा है आपको ये even है. Let's divide with 2. So if I divide with 2, I get 98. Then again I divide with 2. What am I getting is 49. Then again यहाँ तो दिख रहा है भैया तो 7 से divide होगा. And here I get the answer. 1 tak pahunchte hi, that means we are done with prime factorization. Yes? Understanding, what do you mean by prime factorization? I mean 196. 196 is made up of the prime factors. Every number is made up of prime factors, right? Every composite number. So 196 को भी इसके prime factors में लिख सकते हैं, which are 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here it is, right? यहाँ देखेंगे क्या है? ये बिल्कुल वैसा सही बन रहा है. 2 into 2 एक पेयर बना है. 7 into 7 एक पेयर बना है. For the square root, what do you do? Like for square root of 196, हम हर पेयर में से एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लेंगे. और पेयर भी कैसा होता है? It is like two same numbers. 2 are same, you make a pair. 7 is same, you make a pair. अब 2 में से एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ले लेंगे. It is 2 into one representative from 7 into 7, which gives you 7. So simply 2 into 7 is 14. That's it. This is the square root of 196. And we have done this with prime factorization method, right? Next. Is 90 a perfect square? All right, let's check out. Okay, let me take it. Okay, if I take 90, right? Okay, the prime factor which I see is, yes, it is divisible by 2. I get 45. Then I see 3, right? See, when you're finding for which factor, with which number should I divide? Start thinking about the prime numbers in your mind. Start from 2, all right? 3, so I get here, this is 1, 5, 15, okay? Then again, oh yes, it is divisible by 3. I get 5, then again 5 here, and then I get 1. We are done. So 90 is actually equal to what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We need to make a pair of same numbers. I can have this pair, but see, 2 is single, 5 is single. We need something. If I could have one more 2 here, I could have a pair. If I could have one more 5 here, I could have a pair. That means I cannot find square root of 90 with this method, right? So this is not a perfect square. Yeah, what we can say is this is not a perfect square, right? Okay, let's see few more examples like this. You see, is 235 to a perfect square? Let's first do this. क्या ये perfect square है? That means on doing prime factorization, can you find the square root? Yeah, can you get a number from each pair? Just look at this. I have 2, 3, 5, 2. First 2. Yes, I divide by 2. 1, 1, 7, 6. Again it is even. One more 2. I get 5, 8, 8. One more 2. So you keep doing until you reach 1. And I see I am actually getting even numbers, so I'm actually dividing by 2 till then. 47. Okay, I have some odd number. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, I can see it is divisible by 3. Keep 3 here. What do I get? It is 49. All right, 7, 7, 7 and 1. Done. So what do we get here? 2, 3, 5, 2 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. Let's make the pairs. You see, this is a pair, fine. This is a pair of same numbers, fine. This is a pair of same numbers, fine. Oh, this 3 is single. Yeah, now what comes in your mind? Ma'am, if I somehow could give this number one more 3, if I could multiply this whole expression with 3, oh great, I'll get a perfect square, right? It means what? If they've asked what is the smallest multiple, yeah, which is a perfect square, what do you do here? It is so simple. You multiply this with 3, right? If I multiply with 3, I'll get a perfect square. So simple it is, yes? I'm getting 2, 3, 5, 2 into 3. This will be 6, 15, 1, 9, 0, and 1, it is 7056, right? This is what I'm getting. Yes, I'll get 7056, right? Now, what is square root of 7056? You just look at this. 7056 is equal to, it's 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, into, what do I get here? It is 7 into 7, right? Because I'm having the 3 extra, so of course I'm getting a pair of it, right? So it is so simple. What do? It is a pair of 2. Yeah. And I get here. Yes. Pair of 2, and pair of 2. Right? So now it is a perfect square. Whose square it is? Let's take a representative from every pair. Like 2 here, 2 here, 3 from here, and then 7 from here. Yes. Its whole square, right, is 7056. So I can write 7056 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, which is actually equal to 4 into 21, which is actually 84. That's it. This is the answer. All right. So, understanding one thing, when they're asking what should be the multiple of 2352, that means I want some number कि किससे 2352 को multiply करें that I get a perfect square. Yeah. So in this case, you are going to apply prime factorization method only. I will have to prime factorize it to know कि इसको किस prime factor की जरूरत है. ये prime factor की किसी और factor की जरूरत है. So that it becomes a perfect square. Yes. Look at, I have one more interesting example here. See, I have 9408, right? अब इसका देखते थोड़ा, आज थोड़ा पेन स्लो है. It is 9408. Yes, how you do this? Even है, चलो 2 से divide करते चले. 4704. Yes, 2 से करेंगे 2352. ये तो पिछला नंबर ही आ गया. 2 से करेंगे 1 1 and I get 7 6. 2, I am doing it. 294. I am actually getting even numbers. All right, this goes on 3. This is going on. This is 1 second. This is actually 49, right? Yeah. 49, then I keep 7 and then 7 at the end. Right? So I get 9408 is equal to, let's actually open it. How many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 twos, all right. Okay, 1 3 is there and then 7 into 7. Again, let's make a pair of same numbers, right? ये pair है, ये भी है pair, ये भी है pair, ये भी. Oh, this 3 is single. So one option is, as जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में पढ़ करा, either we can give this number one more 3 so that it becomes a perfect square, or I knock this 3 off. या तो इस 3 को यहाँ से निकाल दें. That means what? अगर somehow I do 9408, इसको अगर हम 3 से divide कर दें, right? अगर हम इसको 3 से divide कर दें, I'll get a perfect square because 3 से divide करने के बाद क्या आता है? 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Yes, This is a perfect square, right? So let me see, ये क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? I will get this as 3, 1, yeah, 3, 1, 3, 6. This is what I'm getting, 3, 1, 3, 6. अच्छा, इसका स्क्वायर रूट क्या बनेगा? Very simple, 3, 1, 3, 6. Let's look at its square root. It just हर एक पेयर से एक एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लेना. We just have to take one representative from each pair. So I get 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So it is 8 into 7, which is 56. And we are done. Yes, again, point to be noted here. Yes, what did they ask? They asked किस number से हम divide करें? With which smallest number should I divide? Which is possible only when you have the prime factorization of a number. So I want you to notice also where to apply which method, right? क्योंकि जब paper में question आता है, they won't say using prime factorization. Find with which smallest number I should divide. They may give, they may not give, right? Okay. Let's look at this nice question. Huh? This says, what is the smallest square number which is divisible by 6, 9, 15? Okay, they are saying smallest square number which is divisible. पहले काम करते हैं. Let's find out the smallest number which is divisible by 6, 9, 15. I do the question in 2 steps. पहले हम smallest number निकालेंगे. I work on smallest. फिर देखेंगे वो perfect square है या नहीं है. Okay. What we find, वो क्या होता है? ऐसा कौन सा smallest number है? What is the smallest number जिससे 6, 9, 15 are divisible? It is LCM, right? If I find out all right, if you look here, what is that smallest number which is divisible by 6, 9, 15? मतलब क्या है? We need to find the LCM of 6, 9, 15, right? So if I take the LCM of 6, 9, 15, वो क्या आएगा? ये तो बहुत आराम से निकाल सकते हैं, आपको मेथड आता ही है ना? एक होता है ना 6, 9, 15 करेंगे तो you just look, पहले तो क्या आ रहा है? 3 कॉमन आ रहा है, then you have 2, 3 and 5. बन गया, यही तो है 3 into 2 into 3 into 5. इससे आगे कुछ कॉमन नहीं आ रहा. So what it is? 3 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? It is 90, right? अच्छा, अब दिख रहा है ना? You see, 90 is not a perfect square because prime factorization यही तो है 90 की prime factorization. I can see 3 is having a pair, but this 2 and this 5 are single. They are not having the pair. अब क्या करना है? हमें इसको स्क्वायर बनाना होगा. Just remember, I need to make it a square. But how do I make it a square? See, if I give this 2, one more 2, if I give this 5, one more 5, I am done. That means अगर हम 90 को 10 से multiply कर दें, that means I'll get 900. And now if I look at its prime factorization, देखो क्या बनेगा ये? It is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Yes, this is a perfect square. So this is a smallest square number which is divisible by 6, 9, 15. देखो दो तरीके थे, या तो इसको डिवाइड करके स्क्वायर बनता या तो मल्टीप्लाई करके. बट अगर डिवाइड कर देते then it could have been divisible by these numbers. इसीलिए हमने छोटा नहीं करा, हमने उसको बढ़ाया. What we did, we multiplied with some smallest number, and the smallest requirement was what? 2 and 5. इससे multiply करते ही I got a perfect square, right? And look at this last question. See, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden. एक garden में आपको 2025 plants plant करने हैं in such a way that each row contains as many plants as number of rows. So number of plants in each row is equal to the number of rows. So what we have to find? The number of rows and the number of plants in each row. अच्छा, I want you people to notice this. देखो मेरे पास अगर एक रो में 3 पौधे लगे हैं, I have 3 plants in each in one row and I have 3 rows. Yes, this is the fair example. Number of plants are equal to number of rows. 3 ही plants है, 3 ही rows है. Now, how is this possible? अगर देखो total कितने plants होंगे? 3, 3, 3. Total how many? It is 3 into 3, which is which is a square, right? इधर भी 3 है, इधर भी 3 है. क्या आ जाएगा? 9. That means ऐसे केस के लिए हमारा ये जो number of plants है, this has to be a perfect square. How you do this? पहले let's write it down. See, if I see number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row. Each row में जितने rows है, the number of rows and the number of plants are equal. Okay, so let's take it something. Let me just take it. I call it A. All right. Now you look. Total plants are. How do you get total plants? जैसे अभी हमने example करा. This is equal to 2025, and this can be written as number of rows into number of plants in each row. Yes, and this is equal to 2025, right? Now you look, ये क्या है? Call it A. Into what is this? Call it A. What is this equal to? 2025, right? So simply that means A square is 2025. हमें क्या चाहिए? You need to find A. How do you get it? A is equal to square root of 2025, right? Now what do you do? अब इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल देते हैं. 2025 प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लगाते हैं. You do this 5, I get 405. One more 5, I get 81. Or 81, I know this. 27, 3, 9. I get 3 and 3 done. It means what? Your 2025 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? बना देते हैं pairs, this pair, this pair and this pair. That means simply what do I get from here is square root of 2025 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3, which is 45. That means what? A is 45. So number of rows are 45 and number of plants in a row are also 45. Yeah, I hope you liked my video and I hope this is beneficial for you all. I'll be bringing many more such videos to make your concepts very clear. All right, till then, bye bye. See you. Thank you so much.